flavor fusion machine today, and I thought I would show troubleshooting whether or not it's a board or a keypad issue. Now, I cheated. I have an extra keypad on my truck because I'm naughty, but what we were having is the Coke was not functioning. So when you look at this machine, we'll kind of sneak in here, and of course the ice maker kicked on. All of your boards, so this board is this line, and you can see all your boards go in line with their buttons, which is pretty handy. The fun part is every one of these boards is the same, and all these keypads are the same kind of. What we're looking at here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can use this keypad to help us troubleshoot, or theoretically, we could even use this keypad, pull it out, that keypad, pull it out, plug it in here to help us troubleshoot, to figure out if we need a keypad or we need a board. In this case, Coke is not working, so when I press Coke, I get nothing. I get no carb water, and I get no syrup. So we know it's not going to be a valve. And then if we poke our other buttons, it changes our products. So that's how we're coming to this conclusion. So we know, because it's not lighting up, it's going to be a board problem. Customers come to expect having all the products when they show up to a store. So, for me, we're going to take this board out, we're going to move it over here, and we're going to convert this Flavor Shop board into a soda board. We'll have to bricks it and get it all set up, so look back at a bricksing video if you need to know how to bricks these. And then this will be all set to go for Coke, and then we'll just have to replace our Flavor Fusion Flavor Shop board, which will be easier to program and doesn't require bricksing. So, little things that make a big difference. Otherwise you could order both parts, I guess, but not everybody has the benefit of being able to order both parts all the time. This helps you troubleshoot and figure out, is it a board, or is it actually a button set? Hopefully that helps you out. These are always the fun ones. You want to get the right part the first time. Method 2, if you don't have a keypad laying on your truck, I just took this keypad, plugged it into my Flavor Shop board. So remember, this is set up as a Flavor Shop board, and when I hit 1, now we dispense cherry. So we know this keypad's good. And that is a quick way to troubleshoot these and not order everything that is under the sun on your truck. Also, don't forget to also look at your cabling and make sure everything's plugged in, but nothing moves up here, so we know it's going to be this control board. Probably just one of these little relays went bad. Hold on, we're not done, because nothing is ever simple. So it's not the board. What's happening is the Coke is being held off because the ADA keypad has failed. As soon as we unplug the ADA keypad, which is underneath that other keypad, there's like, if you look, it's this keypad right here. This one right here underneath, as soon as you pull that off, Coke starts working. So, although all my other troubleshooting is correct, remember that there are other loads on this board, and other loads can drag down your operation of that control board. Now we're done. Now we'll see you next time.